In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record voice in Adobe Audition. First, make sure you have Adobe Audition open and ready. Once it's open, you'll want to go to the top left of the screen and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, find and select Editor. This will bring up the main editing window where you can see your audio track. Below the audio track, you'll see some basic controls. You have buttons for play, skip, next, back, and at the end, you'll find the record button. To start recording, simply click on the record button. You can also use a shortcut by pressing Shift and Space on your keyboard to start recording. Once you start, Adobe Audition will begin capturing audio in real time. When you're done recording, you can click the Stop button or press the spacebar to stop the recording. Now you've just recorded some audio in Adobe Audition. If you need to change your microphone or input device, here's how to do it. At the top left of the screen, click on Edit. If you're on a Mac, click on Audition instead. Then go to Preferences and from the list, select Audio Hardware. This is where you'll be able to adjust your input and output devices. You can change the microphone or any other device you want to use for recording by selecting it here. And that's it. You now know how to record voice in Adobe Audition and adjust your input settings if needed.